So here we have this Nautical Cove Small Pirate's Treasure Chest. It came in decent packaging, it's wrapped in foam, and then here's a better look at it. I think it looks really cool, it's nice and rustic. And then opening it up, there's a nice little note on the inside. It also comes with this metal lock that has a couple keys. You can actually lock and unlock this using the keys. You stick it in there, twist it, and then it's unlocked, or you twist it back the other way, and that locks it again. And I think that's pretty cool. You can lock up some treasure inside the treasure chest. Anyway though, the treasure chest is made of teak and mango wood. It has really solid construction. Made of these nice thick boards. They're about a ½ inch thick. Nice smooth finish on the outside. The inside is a little bit rougher. It also has these sort of metal bands on the lid, has metal hinges. There's also these metal braces on the corners here. That's pretty cool as well. I really like the little metal details. It really brings this to life. Looks super cool. This one is pretty small, so it'd make a great shelf decoration or maybe even a table decoration at a birthday party or wedding. It'd also make a great keepsake or jewelry box. Or if you get one of the larger sizes, I think they'd make great decorative storage boxes. Also, I thought this thing was so cool that I actually got a smaller one as well. Pretty similar design, just a bit smaller. So yeah, overall, it looks really awesome, super detailed. It's also plenty sturdy, and it's just a really cool little treasure chest.